What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. In today's video, we're going to be checking out an instant decision loan product that lends out anywhere from $200 to $3,000, even to people with bad credit. Let's check it out. So let me start out by saying your credit score is more than just a number. If you have somebody with a 580 credit score and a low debt to income ratio and no derogatory marks, they might get qualified over somebody with a 620 credit score with a high debt to income ratio and a collection on their report. So know what's in your credit score before applying. I am good with people commenting scam because they didn't get approved for a loan that I said you need a low credit score to get approved for. But just know the fact you're not approved because you don't know what's in your credit score doesn't make it a scam. All right, that's enough of that. The loan we're checking out today is called Modo Loan. And what makes Modo Loan a little bit different than other loan products is that Modo Loan is not actually a lender. They're actually sending out your application to hundreds of different lenders and pairing you with the best one. You will need some basic loan requirements. Be over the age of 18, obviously, have a checking account, you must have a permanent residence and regular verifiable income. One thing I like to point out is that you will get a hard pull on your credit when you apply. The upside to that is that you're gonna have more chances of being approved for a loan. For example, if you go to chase.com and you apply for a loan, you get denied. Well, you just had a hard pull on your credit report. Now you go to Bank of America, you apply, you have another hard pull on your credit report and you got denied. This way you only have one application, one hard pull, and they pair you up with the best lender to give you the best odds of approval based on your credit situation.
Got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. This has been Currency Counts Quote of the Day.
So you can borrow anywhere from $200 to $3,000 with a loan term of 300 to 24 months. Another thing I like about Modo Loan, well, I wouldn't say I like about it, but maybe the lesser of different evils is that Modo Loan has an APR from 4% to 35%. I know 35% might seem high. I've seen other loans that go anywhere from 10% all the way up to 200%. And believe, if you have bad credit, you're gonna get every bit of that 200%. I have videos reviewing these high APR credit cards, or personal loans. So be sure and check those videos out because you are gonna wanna steer clear of those loans. So it's very easy to apply, but you will need certain information like your personal info, your SSN, verifiable income, and a bank account. Once you do apply, you will get an instant decision and an offer from a lender. Once you agree to terms, you can be funded within 1 business day. So your rate is gonna vary depending on your credit score and the lender. But here are some examples. For $1,000 at a 24% APR at 12 months, you're gonna end up paying $164 in interest. And that's also with a 3% fee. It doesn't say if it's an origination fee, but it looks like it is. So on a $2,000 loan at 19% at 24 months, you'll end up paying $519.68 back. So for a $10,000 loan at 8% at 60 months, you'll end up paying $3,136.80 in interest. But check this out, you're gonna have a 10% origination fee, which comes out to $1,000, which is pretty high. But on the flip side, you're getting loaned 10 G's. So I'm not mad at this loan product at all, although they're not really a loan product, more of a broker, but that gives you higher approval odds. One application, one credit pull, but hundreds of possible lenders that are right for your credit situation. So I hope this video helped you out. I wanna thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out all my other credit review products. Check you on the next one.